Hello, dear students. The new lecture is here. The tool name is operating. Actually, this is a new operating system which name is the Wi-Fi Slax, and it is a final ISO of the Wi-Fi Slax, which is latest. The version is 3.3. We are going to boot this ISO file with the help of VirtualBox. Click here, New Wi-Fi Slax. Choose your ISO file. Open. Click on Next. Go back. If it is not uh, okay, my virtual machine does not identify that which type of operating system is this one. So I need to set here Linux and Oracle Linux or Debian base series. So let's say I set here the Oracle Linux or Debian 11 64-bit. Click on Next. Allocate the memory and processor. Next, hard drive. Next, and finish. So setting is done. Back click, start normal boot. Here you find the live option like Wi-Fi selects live on RAM mode or in the hard drive mode. You need to choose the first option, Wi-Fi selects live this mode. Press enter and wait until it will complete the boot. I think this operating system is related to KDE plasma type. Alright, this is the operating system, and this operating system is by default specially built for the wireless penetration testing or Wi-Fi hacking, Wi-Fi penetration testing. You can see here Wi-Fi Slacks have the all the Wi-Fi hacking tools or some advanced Wi-Fi hacking tool like Detector Network Manager. I think the mostly tools are in the graphical, Sparrow Wi-Fi, Fun Wi-Fi Cracker, Feeding Bottle, Dixie Scan, AP Fokker, AirJaden, and many more tools. Wi-Fi 2 is also available, Wi-Fi Jammer, and many more Wi-Fi hacking related tools. These are available for the Wi-Fi hacking tools only, and these are by default installed in this operating system. So if you want to perform the wireless penetration testing, then this is the best option to choose for the wireless penetration testing, especially for the Wi-Fi only. This is Dolphin File Manager. This is the terminal. Type here sudo su. Okay, Wi-Fi 2. No working. Wi-Fi TE. Press enter. You can see it will be automatically launched, but there's a no wireless extension attached to my this virtual machine, so that's why it does not give me the response. But you can see here almost all the tools that we need to perform the wireless hacking, all that tools are available here. Just click on this Wi-Fi slacks. First option, a CEF Redos. All right. It have not just the Wi-Fi hacking tools, it have also include the Wi-Fi cracking tools. Let me open one of the tools from these tools. No, these all tools are on the terminal base. Let me check that it is apt is working here or not. Apt minus minus version. Alright, so that's it for this system. Thank you so much. I'm going to close it and see you in the next lecture now.